Hello everyone, my name is Tariq Job and today I'll be demonstrating some basic commands that you and just about anyone can use in command prompt on Windows. But before we get started, keep in mind that you should run command prompt as an administrator to unlock its full functionality. Alright, first off, let's color command. With color, you can customize the background or text of the command prompt window. If you type this prompt right here, color slash question mark, it will display a list of available color codes that you can use to change how the command prompt looks. For example, if you want to look more like a hacker you usually see in movies and so on, you type in color 0A. There you go. As you can see here, the 0 stands for the black, that's the background, and the letter A, light green, is for the text. If you want to bring it back to white, however, you simply need to type color and back to white. Next, we have this prompt right here. As you can see, this prompt will delete all temporary files from your temp folder. You may use this to clear out any junk or unwanted files that may slow down your PC. As you can see here, it says this process cannot access the file because it is being used by another process. That means I have another application already open, therefore they cannot clean it. These files are usually ranged from whenever you install a file or a Windows update. Cached data or session data. Session data is created when programs are running, which is what is going on right here. Also, it also removes any logs and reports whenever there is a system crash or error. As the name implies, these files are short-term storage. It is generally safe to delete them, and regular cleanup helps improve performance and frees up storage. Then we have SFC, aka System File Checker. It's a built-in that scans operating systems, files for corruption, and, if needed, replaces them with the current version from this component store. For example, if I were to type in SF with a give you the list of the current options you could use to scan your PC. So would now put in SFC slash scan now, and the PC will begin scanning the system as we speak. Just give it a little while longer, and there you go. This process will take some time. Alright, after a brief 5 to 10, it will this message when it does find any integrity violations. However, this may differ from user to user as they may have viruses on their PC that they are not aware of. If you're still aren't too sure about yourself, you can also check your disk using this prompt. 1 second. Alright, this should take a while. Alright, as you can see here, it's finished its full stage, examining basic file system structure. The file verification has been completed and it only took 2.58 minutes. It's now beginning its second stage, examining the file linkage. Alright, and with that, the final stage has been completed, examining the file linkage. As you can see here, 848 repass records has been processed and over 100 top index, index entries processed. The duration of this phase is 11.39 minutes. So in total, this entire process would take at least 12 minutes. Well, 15 minutes, I should say. Then we move on to stage 3, which is to examine security decryptors. Yes, security decryptors. Alright, and as you can see here, the window has checked the file system and found problems. In order to clean this, you need to run check disk /car to find the problems and queue them for repair. However, you can use another command by using check disk C semicolon /f stands for fix and R stands for read. This will fix the problems found in the system and read it once more. As you can see here, this process cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. In order for me to schedule this, in order for me to continue, I must schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts. So therefore, I will choose yes. Alright, from there on out, the system will be checked the next time the system restarts. And lastly, we have the task list. As you can see here, the task list will show all the programs that are currently running on the system. This will take a while for the device to scan all the systems currently in process. Alright, here is everything, and say you want to remove a process from this task list, you simply have to put task, task kill, select, well, type in the task that you want to remove. For example, for example, let's try and there you go. The task user broker exe with PID 540 has been terminated. And that is it for now. Thank you for watching. That's it. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I look forward to seeing you again. But before I go, if you want to remove all this stuff from your screen or from the command prompt, all you need to do is CLS and bam, we're back to square one. And that's about it for good this time.